In front of me is XIAOMI 13T Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can clean storage of this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings and click on About Phone section at the top. Then select Storage located under Device Name. Scroll down, click on Free App, wait couple of minutes or seconds, hit Clean Up at the bottom and wait again. As you can see, after that, storage of my device was successfully cleaned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!